Hey Sherry, are those your cookies on the stove?
They are.
Ooh, they smell so yummy.
I just took them out. They're Jenny's recipe, but they're still too hot to eat. So I'm trying to wait patiently, but it's hard.
Yeah, you seem like you're having a hard time waiting. I know a trick called cookie breathing. Do you maybe want to try it out with me?
Sure, why don't you sit down?
Okay, awesome.
So Sherry, let me tell you a little bit more about cookie breathing. So what you're going to do is you're going to either look at a plate of cookies in front of you or imagine a tray of cookies. And you're going to breathe in and you're going to smell the cookies. And then you're going to breathe out and blow air on the cookies to cool them down. And I like to do it at a count of 4. So you breathe in for 4 seconds and then you breathe out for 4 seconds.
Okay.
So. How did that feel?
That feels great. I do feel calmer. It fogged up my glasses though.
Yeah, that's going to happen. That's okay though.
Yeah. I also know a kind of breathing that's about food.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's called pizza breathing. Have you heard of it?
No, I haven't heard of that one.
Well, I like pizza too, so. But letting you know, pizza is triangle shaped, right?
Yeah.
And so you imagine a piece of pizza, right? And you breathe in up the slant side.
Okay.
And then you hold your breath while you come down the crust, and then you breathe in, and you breathe out when you're going up the other slant side to the point.
Gotcha. Okay.
So it goes in, hold, out.
I think my pizza's a little crooked. We'll do it this way. I like that one. I think I breathed out when I was supposed to hold it, but that's okay. I'm sure I'll learn how to do it.
And you can always start again, right? It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Nice.
And I know one other one too. I just now that we had cookies, which are circles, and we had pizza, which is triangles. I know another one that is square breathing.
Oh, cool.
And that's a good one too, because not everybody wants to think about food when they're breathing.
Yeah, definitely. That would make me so hungry.
Especially if you were waiting for lunch and that's what made you feel anxious.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, definitely.
So in square breathing, so in cookie breathing we had breathe in, breathe out.
Yes.
In triangle breathing we had breathe in, hold, breathe out.
Yes.
And in square breathing we have breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold.
Oh,
And
cool.
then breathe in again.
Yeah. Do you want to do it so that way we can stay on the same page at a count of 4?
Sure.
Because I know there's different types of breathing where you can hold it for 6 or hold it for 4. Do how you feel flow.
I think 4 sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll start here and we'll breathe in and we'll go up. Hold. 4. Down. I find this one a little tricky because I always want to breathe in on the bottom hold.
Yeah.
Right? This
Definitely.
one takes a bit more practice, I think.
Yeah, and practice makes perfect.
Yeah, and you know what's great about this kind of activity is you can practice it anywhere. Breathing comes with you everywhere you go, and there's no special equipment required.
Yeah, definitely. And it's nice too because you can do this when you're feeling a little anxious or worried and no one needs to know that you're doing it because you already breathe all the time.
Yeah, or even if you're feeling frustrated, right? If you're in a traffic jam or waiting in a line somewhere,
Oh, definitely.
right? Then you can do this and help make yourself a little bit more calm, right? And then that experience will be a little bit better.
Yeah, definitely. Well, thank you for showing me all of those.
You're
Sherry.
very welcome. I'm glad that you showed me one too.
Definitely. Do you think the cookies are
I
ready
think
now?
they are. We should go check them out.
Yeah, let's go check them.
Yeah.